So this suggests that these variables are of integer kind. Now, we are going to ask the user to enter two numbers. Okay, enter the first number num1, enter the second number num2, and the compiler is going to read them via a specific keyword function called scanf. Now in last video we talked about printf function. Here we are going to talk about scanf function. So let us start. Printf. Now we write our message. I'm sorry. Enter the first number, right? And then scanf, which helps us to read what the number is. We write %d, and then we write ampersand symbol, this one, and num1. Hence we defined it. Now in similar manner we write printf, enter the second number. Now we write scanf %, and we do know that %d is needed when we're talking about integers. I think we discussed it in the previous video, the last video. Now ampersand symbol, and we'll be storing it in num2, hence we write num2, ampersand num2. Now sum equals, now what does sum do? It adds numbers. It stores the addition, the result of addition of two numbers. So num1 plus num2. The compiler is going to recognize this, alright? And now we're going to print the result, and the user is going to see it. The result is %d, right? The result is also an integer. Now what are we going to write here? Sum. You're right. We're going to write here sum. And now we're going to write this last line. And now let's see if it runs. Let's see if we have any sort of errors here. Now enter the first number. So the first number could be, okay, let me just stop it right here. Enter the first number, and let me just write a space here. Alright. Can we just beautify our code? I think it's already been beautified. Fair enough. So let's see. Enter the first number. So I had discussed about 5 and 10, right? So I'm going to write 5. Enter the second number, 10. Now we don't need to enter anything. This is the program that adds two numbers and gives us the sum. So now the sum will be 15. The result is 15.